All right, guys. Looking at the markets today, we are currently 0.40%. We do have news today at 2 o'clock p.m. FOMC. But what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at NQ. NQ is bearish on all time frames. Like literally, you guys know the news. You guys know what's going on with the tariffs and everything. It's bearish on all time frames. ES as well. I do want to take some sells today. Now remember, guys, I have my buffers here. So if the market price gets like down here ish, then we need to stop trading. But I'm waiting for this hourly liquidity sweep to hit and then we displace to the downside. That's pretty much all I want today. I know since we have news today, heavy news at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the market might be a little choppy in the morning. Hopefully that's not the case, but that's pretty much what I anticipate to happen. So I'm not going to force a setup today if we don't get one. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm looking for right now. That's the only thing I can see. Otherwise, if we come down here, take out these 30-minute lows and then go up, I don't know. But literally, my strategy, guys, is just simple: liquidity sweep on a higher time frame, displacement, and then we wait for a fair value gap to enter off of. So yeah, guys, I will keep you guys updated, and hopefully we'll be in a trade. If not, I'll tell you guys why we aren't in one yet. Give me 2 seconds. All right, guys. So just a little update on the trade, right? It's currently 10:02 a.m. right now, which means the hourly and the 4-hour candle have closed. On NQ, the hourly highs that we wanted to see sweep and displace downwards got closed above by this candle, and the same thing happened on ES. Well, ES, the hourly candle didn't close above, but on ES, on the 1 minute time frame, we're still displacing to the upside. What I want to see happen is us come into this 1 minute fair value gap, and then we target these 1 hour highs on NQ, and then we probably displace to the downside because these highs are also beneath a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So I want to see us come into this 1 minute fair value gap, go like this, and then go up to the 1 hour highs, if that makes sense. Uh, because they're both literally displacing to the upside. So yeah, guys. Now the funny thing about ES right now is the 1 hour highs on NQ are right here, but as you can see, this is not a high. ES didn't create a high here. It pretty much did a continuation and sold off. So yeah, I'm still gonna. I want to see what it does. Like if at any point I'm in a buy and I see a fair value gap getting disrespected, I'm out the jam with it. Okay, we just tapped into the fair value gap on ES. I want to see what NQ did. NQ tapped into the fair value gap too. This next candle, if it's bullish, we are going to enter. That's 261 pips points. Damn. Okay. I need to see a bullish. If I want to if I'm going to buy, guys, I need a bullish candle to form outside of this fair value gap. If I'm going to sell, this fair value gap needs to be disrespected. Let me see. Yes. Still inside of it. I'm also if you see me looking down, guys, I'm also looking at ES on my phone just to see what it's doing. But right now, some volatility just came into the markets. Okay. I want to see how this next candle. I want to see how this next candle closes because if this candle disrespects this fair value gap, that means that we could potentially start selling or looking for selling opportunities because this is when the liquidity sweep, I'm assuming, is starting to kick in. Yeah, I'm seeing ES drop right now because look at how ES closed, right? This 1 hour candle didn't close above the 1 hour highs like NQ did. NQ closed above because NQ is a lot more volatile than ES. But ES said, no, I'm not going up there. and it probably, this is the sweep. Now the sweep is probably taken into effect. Yeah, see, look at the momentum, look at the candles. Good thing we didn't take any buys yet. We have 4 seconds. This fair value gap got disrespected. I need to see a break of structure and a bearish fair value gap form. Hell yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to pause the video here. We are going to take some sells today, and I'm going to keep you guys updated because we're now displacing to the downside on both. If we break structure here, this is the fair value gap that we'll take, and then we will enter. All right, guys, 2 seconds. All right, guys, we're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We're in. We are in. We are in drawdown, severe drawdown, but it's okay. We got the fair value gap. We entered off of this red candle right here. ES did the same thing. It closed red. It closed bearish after respecting it, respecting the 1 minute fair value gap. So I'm waiting for a push down. I gotta take a shit, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully we don't hit stop loss before I do. Please come back down. We have 7 seconds. But yeah, guys, liquidity sweep on a higher time frame. Displacement. Oh, just got stopped out. Oh my god, I gotta take a shit. But yeah, guys, we lost today. It's fine. It is what it is. I followed my edge, which is all I needed to do, and I'm good with that. But yeah, guys, today we did lose, and it's fine. You know, we're not always gonna have a winning day. We're not always gonna have an edge on the markets, but yeah, we just gotta stay disciplined and don't do anything dumb. So it looked like price wanted to tap into the order block and tap into this fair value gap. Um, so yeah, so yeah, literally it. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.